Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm featuring Spellbinders A2 Corner Cotillion. The die set is designed by Becca Feeken for Amazing Paper Grace, and what I love about this set is you've got absolutely everything to make your project. So you've got your frame, you've got this lovely detailed surround here, this background, and also your flowers and your leaves. So it's a go-to die set straight away for your project. I'm starting straight off with my card base and some patterned paper. Now this is the patterned paper that we have on the website at the moment. It is selling very fast. It's a really great patterned paper pad. It's just got very, very pretty designs. So just going to map that onto there. And you'll notice with this die set you have the outer frame as well as this gorgeous designed inset here. So, and you have the option of putting the oval with that so that you could create an aperture or not. I've gone ahead and done some of the die cutting already. So I've created two of the frames. So I've done the gold and then the ivory, and I'm going to be doing the drop shadow behind. So I'm just going to fix that into place. So I have my background there just with that tiny gold drop shadow. I don't want to put that flat onto my card base. I'm just going to use some of the Crafty foam tape on that centre panel. Just a couple of strips to raise that. So that's going to then go straight onto my card front. Then I've also got the oval, so I've cut two, again patterned paper and then the gold. I'm just going to slice this one in half lengthways. Just going to attach that to the back at the top and bottom so I get a little gold outline. Okay, so just going to again put that into place. I do want to just add the liquid glue at this point because I've got that little moment of manoeuvrability. So just position that until you're happy. You can do it as narrow or as wide as you wish. There's going to be a very slight gap here, but you're not going to see that because you're going to put your decorations, your flowers over the top. So again, I'm going to put that in place with the Crafty foam tape. Much like the 3D foam squares, what's great about this is you can take the backing off so easily. You really don't want to be wasting any time when you're crafting. You want to be doing the fun stuff. So we're going to put that into place. And then we're going to switch to the flowers. So with the die set, you've got two sizes of flowers. And you've also got that leaf, which has got a very nice vein design in that, so you get all the detail. So I've chosen to use the largest flower, and you'll see from my previous videos I use the watercolour card for the white watercolour card, and I go in and die cut those, colour them with my distress inks, and then I can shape them. So I've chosen to put little stamens in the middle, and I've just used my glue gun. You can also use glue dots to secure those into place. So with the leaves, just like to do the colouring. Now this is Mode Lawn Distress Ink. Again, it's the watercolour card. I do it lightly, a little bit darker on the edges. And then just a nice touch, just a personal thing. I just like to add a little tiny bit of the pink. And it sort of tones with the flowers then, so maybe a touch of autumn leaves. And you can shape those as you wish, because you've got that seam down the middle, they instantly want to fold, and then you can flick out the ends if you wish. And I've also cut some of those in gold just so that it matches in with the drop shadow on the card. My next step is to add some of this cord. Now this is very much like the cord you get when you're stringing your Christmas tags for your parcels, and I spied some recently and thought, well, this would look beautiful on the card fronts. So you can tie bows if you wish, but I tend to go in and I just do a little loop and I fix them into place with some foam squares. And again, these are going to double up to attach my flowers and my leaves, so I'm not at all worried that any of that's going to get seen. So I'm just going to go in and add my various loops. So 3 flowers in position, and then I can start going in with all the multiple leaves. So I've cut quite a few because I want to bring the design actually onto the background frame as well here. So just sort of folding them in half, making sure they stay in place. Use your tool in one. Those foam pads that's keeping that gold cord down is going to also double up so that you can put your leaves in, so you won't see those. I'm just putting the final couple of leaves on, which, as I mentioned, I want to just hide that little join where we put the gold behind the oval. So you can just strategically place the leaves. Just going to pop that onto there. So we've got quite a few on there, but I think it works. And then for my sentiment, I've just stamped a little tiny love and die cut from oval. I'm just going to put a foam square onto the back, and I think we'll just pop that to the card just there. Okay, so my finished card, it's just using one die set, which is, as a reminder, the A2 corner Cotillion. So beautiful, really beautiful. As I said, a go-to die set because you've got the whole project in one. The papers I've used are on the website. We've just got the one paper pad at the moment. It is selling fast though. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like this card, then please leave a comment on the YouTube and subscribe, and we will be sending it out to one of you. Thank you again. Take care now.